How to use witness statements in an insurance claim. Have you ever wondered how witness statements can impact your auto insurance claim? These statements are more than just notes. They can be game changers in the claims process. Let's break down how to effectively use them. First, collecting complete and accurate information is essential. When you talk to a witness, make sure to get their full legal name, contact details like phone number and email, and their relationship to the accident scene. This information is vital for follow-up if you need more details later. Next, document the details of the accident. The witness statement should clearly outline who was involved, what happened, when it occurred, and where it took place. Precise timing and location help reconstruct the event accurately. It is also important to record the witness's perspective. Ask them to explain what they saw, including the sequence of events leading up to and during the collision. Their narrative can provide context that physical evidence alone might not capture. Additionally, note any observations of injuries and damage. Witnesses should describe visible injuries to people and the extent of vehicle or property damage. This information supports damage estimates and injury claims. Don't forget to include environmental and situational factors. Details about weather, road conditions, traffic signals, and other external factors can clarify the circumstances that influence the accident. Once you have all the information, obtain a signed statement from the witness. A signature authenticates the statement, which increases its credibility during the claims review. From the perspective of car insurance, witness statements help establish liability by corroborating or contradicting the accounts of involved parties. This reduces disputes over fault. They provide an unbiased viewpoint that supports the insurer's investigation and decision-making. Witness statements also complement other evidence, such as police reports and photographs, strengthening the overall claim. By clarifying facts early, they can expedite the claims process, potentially leading to quicker settlements. In cases where there is no video or clear physical evidence, witness statements can be critical to proving who was at fault and the extent of damages. Since human memory can fade or be influenced over time, it is best to collect witness statements as soon as possible after the accident. To use witness statements effectively in an insurance claim, gather detailed, timely, and signed accounts that describe the accident clearly and objectively. This helps insurance adjusters evaluate vehicle damage and assign liability fairly, making the claims process smoother.